Wait, car.
Car coming.
How?
Because
We know their cars.
What do you live here or something?
no, there's nothing.
Okay, here we go, Zev. Get ready.
It's so far. Oh my god.
Oh, that was good.
Guys, try it without the fuel.
No, do it with the fuel.
What happens if you don't use fuel?
No fuel.
Whoa.
Do it without the fuel just for one time.
He did.
Yes, no, with the
Guys
flame.
coming out. Try coming this way.
With the flame. With the
Zev, are you directing traffic?
Jacob, move over. You guys aren't-
Zev, you tell the car when to go.
What is the fuel?
Cranberry juice.
The fuel.
For what?
We make the fuel cranberry juice, a special pill that they come with, and salt. I invented it. I did now.
Yeah, a new one.
And what does that do?
You
How's it off?
You didn't.
Don't break the fuel.
The fuel.
It's supposed to be a
Whoa, too close, too close. There we go. It looks gross.
The car moved without it.
Here comes the car. Shoot it, shoot it. Go, man.
First time I ever saw you being brave, huh?
Harrison was like, and I was like waving.
Guys, come on, let's start it.
Let's get that party